Okay, first of all, I'd like to thank our videographer for this week. Okay, hello videographer. We're going to be working on more on the G major scale. Okay, now first, I want to explain to you what your sheet says, because everybody got a sheet, right? You got to look at it, okay, and you have to do the homework, because if you don't do the homework, well, guess what? You're not going to get any better, and then we're going to be doing the G major scale forever. We don't want to be doing the G major scale forever. I'd like to move on, okay? But what we're going to be we're going to be working on, is a little bit of alternate picking. That's the up-down picking with our right hand, our pick hand. And we're also going to be working on the G major scale, both with a quarter note rhythm and an eighth note rhythm. Okay? Now you have two lines of music in your lesson. First, we're going to work on the quarter note rhythm. Now, in all music, you have 4 beats per bar in common time. So here's common time. Okay, I'm tapping out the rhythm with my foot, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can do that as slow or as fast as you want, but just make sure that with the pick you're going up, down, like this. Okay, you want to make sure you're going up and down with the pick, because if you're just going all in one direction, it's like you're wasting movement. It's a lot quicker if you just go like this, super quick with your wrist, or you go with just your fingers. Okay, super quick, super quick. You don't go from your elbow, you don't go from your shoulder, even though it looks pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to try that again. This is the first line, G major, quarter note rhythm. 1, 2, ready, and. Now you're going to notice in the second line of music, there are twice as many notes, okay? But your left hand is actually doing the exact same thing. Your left hand is doing the exact same thing following this G major scale. Can you see that? This G major scale on the top there. Same pattern, but you're just doubling up your rhythm on the right hand. So it's going to sound like this. There's your beat. That's the quarter note beat. So you're getting 2 eighth notes for every quarter note beat. So it's going to sound like this. Watch. That's the eighth note beat. So if you have a quarter note, here's your eighth note. Eighth, quarter, quarter on my foot. Playing the beat with my quarter note, foot on the beat, quarter note, beat with my foot, eighth note with my hands. See how you get 2 eighth notes for every time I saw my foot? I was clapping 2 times. So again, the first line is your G major scale with the quarter note rhythm. So it's and then the second line, again with your eighth notes, is it's just doubling it up with the right hand. Not doing anything different with this hand. It's doing the same thing. Thank you very much, videographer. Press the little red button.